What are you girls doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ashlyn, you're squirting Grammy. Don't squirt Grammy. What are you doing? Did she get you, Paige? Okay, Ashlyn, put the water in the trees. Ash, put the water in the trees. Those little trees over there.
Hey! Help!
Okay, I'm coming. What do you want to run the hose? Okay, tell Ashlyn, say my turn. Ashlyn, Paige's turn.
Squirt me, squirt me.
Let's turn.
Squirt me, squirt me.